Hi, I'm Annika Johnson from Al Johnson's in Sister Bay. I hope you enjoy my new video series called Door County Girl. These are stories of my life, the people and places that I love, and of course how we all survive here in northern Wisconsin. You can come back as often as you like, but don't forget to subscribe to Al's YouTube channel. I'll be posting lots of really cool new videos. So let's go! Welcome to another episode of Door County Girl. Today I am back at Skål, which is our boutique next to the Stabbur Bar and Al Johnson's. We're to the south of them. And we have been here before, and we talked a little bit about what we used this space when we built the building. It was about 2 years ago. And we were talking about what we were going to do with it. And we just had a Christmas pop-up in then. And we just had a brief what was in it. And it's nothing like it is back then. So it's completely changed. And we're kind of going to talk about Christmas today a little bit. So we're going to talk to my friend Zoe, who is over here waiting for me. And this is Zoe Andersen. She is our Skål Manager. And she does all the buying for this boutique. Mm-hmm. So why don't you tell them a little bit about yourself? Where did you come from?
Okay. I'm from the Milwaukee area, but I used to come up to Door County every summer to camp in Peninsula State Park. My family is Scandinavian. We're Swedish, Norwegian, and Danish. We always would have breakfast at Al's before we took down camp. And the boutique over there is that was my favorite store in Door County. So.
That's so funny.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that.
It really was. My house has all dollar horses and everything in it. It's like all from the boutique.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
We probably bumped into each other way back then and didn't even know it.
I'm sure we did, yeah.
Oh, wow. Well, the boutique's come a long way since that goofy little Christmas pop-up we had. I thought, wow, we have a lot of good stuff in here, but there's not even a comparison. It looks so full and has such great stuff. So when you decided to take the job here, your goal was to keep it more modern, right?
Yes, so we didn't want the stores to be copycats of each other. So the direction I decided to take was to still buy Nordic products, but try and give it a little more modern edge, because we've got a lot of great traditional things over in your store. Mm-hmm. So I just did a lot of research and tried to see what the trends were and what I could bring in over here that was still Scandinavian, but just a little different.
Yeah, and I do notice, like, I'm 60, she's just a little baby, so I do the old stuff and she does the new stuff.
I like the old stuff.
I like the old stuff too, but I do like the new stuff. I like coming over here and going, oh wow, I didn't see this before. This is nice. Sometimes we have some overlapping things, but if we overlap, it's things like lingonberries, pancake mix, glug, candy maybe, some of our lingonberry soaps, things like that. But Zoe's going to talk about Christmas because that's coming up and everybody's sort of shopping already for Christmas. Mm-hmm. We have a little Christmas section and we just can't keep things in stock. People are getting ready.
Yeah.
I think they're getting nervous that they might not be able to get Christmas because there are times when things get stuck on ships and things like that.
Exactly.
So I'm going to follow Zoe and she's going to let us know what she got in for Christmas because that's the cool part of this little video.
All right, so keeping with the more modern theme, I brought in these dish collections. Actually, this little guy is upside down. But these are selling super fast. It's the same maker. If any of you have been in the store before, people really love this poppy collection we have. And it's the same maker and designer as that.
Super cute dishes.
And they're really nice because they're not so specifically Christmas. You could use things like this all winter long. And so that is a good seller for us right now. We've got quite a bit of traditional things over here, actually. These Eklund linens we've got some very traditional ones actually, but depending how you decorate with them, you can put a modern spin on it as well. We've got all kinds, and some are cutesy and some are...
Yeah, I don't know if you can see some of these, but these are her more Christmas ones that I love. They're table runners. They really make things festive. I mean, if you want to change up your tables. And Eklund, tell them a little bit about Eklund, because Eklund is a Swedish company.
Yes, it's a very old Swedish weaving company, and they do a lot of classic Swedish design, and it's very high quality and it'll last you a really long time.
Yep, and they make such cool things.
Yeah, all of the patterns are beautiful.
It's hard to pick things
It's
out.
hard to pick, yep.
There's so many of them that I'm trying to show you a couple of the Christmas ones just because I love them. And I don't think you can go wrong with getting these, because once you start collecting some of the Eklunds, you can change them out. I mean, they have beautiful spring, summer, fall.
And even fall. So yeah,
Yep.
a lot of people come in and they get one kind of for every season.
Lots
which
of
is
birds.
fun to decorate.
Here's a beautiful fall one.
Yeah, I love that one.
Yeah. So there's lots of Eklund table runners. And she decorated here on the shelf with one of these. And this could be up year round. I mean, this is something you could put out for Valentine's Day or Christmas or...
Yeah.
Yeah. And all this...
Yes, so this is a company called Bengt & Lada. They're Swedish designers. This is all carbon steel. It's really, really beautiful, high quality. And like I said, like, this isn't necessarily only Christmas, but if you decorate a certain way, I mean, it looks very festive. It just depends what you want to do with it.
Like here's a little, they could be Christmas trees, or could they just be trees with like the squirrels? And little napkin holders.
Yep, we've got lots of napkins.
Yes,
Everyone
lots of
loves
napkins.
Fancy napkins.
This is adorable.
Yeah.
Yep, I have my, and then these I love because you can make them, put them up on a mantle, or you can put them on your table, and you can change out candles. You can use that year round. It's Christmas, use red ones. It's the summertime, use yellow ones.
Exactly.
Yeah. Good wedding gifts too. There's some cute ones that are wedding gifts. Yeah, this makes, I've given these as wedding gifts before. People love them.
Yeah.
So they're just, oh my gosh, that's so awesome. All right. Okay, so where are we going
Let's
next?
show you the blankets.
Yeah, because I love those.
Yeah.
I don't carry these blankets. Zoe only carries these blankets. These are gorgeous.
Yes, so we've got a few different brands here. A lot of them are a brand called Clip-On. Again, that is a Swedish brand, actually. Super high quality. A lot of it is lamb's wool. And they're gorgeous, and they make a real statement in the room, I think.
And you know what's nice about them? They're not, like, you know how wool can be itchy and sticky and picky? They're not like that.
They're actually really soft.
They're super soft.
And these actually come with a little comb so that you can keep it soft and fluffy, which I think is handy. This is another Swedish brand. Do you know how to pronounce it, Annika? Oibro?
Oibro.
Oibro.
So when you have an O with two dots over it, it's Öbro.
Okay.
So like it's a O with two dots over it is like And then if it was an O or an A with an O over it, it is O, like we say boat.
Sure.
B-O-A-T.
Like
that would be B.
Skull.
Yeah, like skull. Yeah. So it's called that umla or whatever I think it's called. But the blankets are great.
Yeah, these are great, and these have a little bit more of the traditional thing on them, actually. As much as we said we have more modern stuff, we still try and tie back a little bit to, you know, the traditional imagery and things like that, like doll horses.
Yep, that's a good thing.
Not really Christmas necessarily, but we did, as the cold weather comes, we rolled out our halflingers.
I saw.
They're warm, very warm.
So when she's
clogs.
talking about hefflingers, she's talking about these, they're like clogs. They have a cork, kind of a rubbery
It's like
cork.
a Birkenstock sole.
Yeah, and they are so comfortable. If you've ever slipped one on, they're nice and wide, so it has room for all your toes. I've tried a pair on. I love them.
A lot of times it's people who already have them and they love them so much that
They just want to get a couple pairs.
Well,
what's cool about them is that they're starting to come up with different designs. They're not just typical. This used to be their standard.
Yep, exactly.
And now they're coming up with some different, like this I really like.
Yeah, that's actually my favorite
That's really
one.
cute.
Yep.
Yeah, these are awesome. And to slip on and out when you're coming in and out of the house, they're awesome. They don't leave any black scuff marks or anything like that.
Yeah, I keep a pair here for when I have to go between buildings in the winter because
Yeah.
these clogs kind of don't cut it in the snow.
No, they don't.
And more cold weather things that we have. We've got some really beautiful shawls and things.
These are gorgeous.
That they're really, really soft. And they're really versatile because you can tie them a bunch of different ways. And we also have these matching things that they called snuds. I don't know what the name means, but it's like a big long hooded
That's a
neck
snood.
warm.
Look it up at the pumpkin up there.
Yeah, our
I call
pumpkin
it a
is modeling
snood.
it.
But
Yeah.
it's like a neck gaiter with a little hood. It's super
It's
cute.
actually perfect for the bitter winters up
It
here because
is.
you don't have that little gap where your neck
Exactly. I like that. I said to Mindy, who did that? She goes, I did that. Well, we got one of these from my friend Mindy for her birthday, and she wears it everywhere. She loves it. She likes to wrap up in it when she's sitting outside, and yeah, I love this.
Yep.
This is gorgeous.
And just the other day, we got in our winter Stabbur hats also. So we've got a real nice selection.
Yeah, I just
of
saw you got a new
those.
selection.
Yeah, those are all just in.
And then you have that's a perfect traditional thing.
Yes, actually. We've got a selection of Dale of Norway sweaters. If you know Dale, you know they're great.
Yes.
We have some hats kind of hidden over here as well. But
I love these. This is this kind of collar.
Yep, I
and
like
they
that
zip.
collar.
So Zoe carries Dale of Norway, and I carry Icelandic design. So they're similar types of wool. They're kind of nice, thin. They're not really bulky, huge.
Yeah,
they're real
some
thin.
are merino, which are the thinner ones.
I love that.
We have a few traditional kind of ones as well.
Like this one's really nice.
Yeah, so it's whatever kind of style you're looking for.
Yeah, you carry men's and women's, right?
Yep.
Yep. So
Try
these
to
are
have a good variety.
Are these the
so-
men's?
Yep.
Yeah, these are really nice too. I like this one.
Oh,
This
that's
is
my favorite
so
one.
traditional.
That one is technically unisex, actually, and that is my favorite one.
My mom and dad both wore this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I like that. Yeah, so you can't go wrong. These are, and two, when you buy a Dale of Norway sweater, it's forever.
Yeah, you have it for the rest of your
Unless
life.
you accidentally throw it in the dryer. Shame on you. Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
don't do that.
We're going to walk over here because I saw some really cool stuff over here that you have for Christmas.
Yes, some other Christmassy things.
Yeah. I saw nobody has enough dishcloths for Christmas,
Yes.
and we have tons of those.
Yeah, and speaking
Festive.
of Christmas, I mean, aside from Christmas items, we have so many things that would be
Super
great
cute.
stocking stuffers.
Yep.
My mom always put a dishcloth in my stocking.
I mean,
Still
who
does.
couldn't use one? I mean, they're always something you can use. This I thought was cute for Christmas. I know it's not on the Christmas table. If your hooves are feeling bad, then it's time to pamper them, no kidding around. And it's a little peppermint foot cream in there, and it's got a little pair of socks, and you can pamper your feet
Yeah.
when you're sitting around in the
think you want
winter.
that for
I
Christmas.
love that. That's an awesome gift.
Yeah.
Yep. All right.
And so over here, we've got, these are kind of my favorite.
They're really cute.
I love these little guys. We get those directly from Sweden. They're super fun to collect. A lot of people start off with one or two, and
Yep.
then they kind of build their little village almost with them. So those are,
And you do a lot of felt. So
Yes.
you've got these cute
So-
little felt ornaments I think are so cute.
yes, felt is big in here, and we've got a nice variety of felt ornaments.
This is always my favorite, are these little
Yeah.
sweater people.
Yeah, those little.
Can you imagine
We're
somebody
almost
has to
out of
knit
them
that little
already. I'll probably have
sweaters?
to order some more.
Super cute.
And I'm not quite sure why, personally, but people really love mice. For
Yeah,
Christmas.
mice are huge.
Christmas mice are huge.
Mice are huge. We don't want them in our house, but we want them as an ornament.
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, these are awesome too. These are Plutos, and they're really, really thin metal, and they come in a couple different styles, and they're really lightweight. You can put them on your Christmas tree or just hang them in your window as a decoration.
Yeah.
I think those are really cute that you have in here.
Yeah,
And-
we've got tons of Christmassy rotaries. Those are always very popular. Again, that's a great stocking stuffer as well.
And I don't know if you can see, but the rotaries are up there spinning around.
Yeah, usually the lit candle will spin them, but if you have any kind of airflow, like that's just our...
Yep, I have mine on
Airflow
my
making
window,
that.
and it just blows
Yeah.
them around. Yeah.
Yep, and we've got some more of the more modern style dishes. Again, it's not just Christmas. That can just be wintry.
I know, look at you, have this cute little gnome cookie jar.
Yes.
Little gnome mugs.
Yep. Lots of gnome stuff.
Zoe loves mushrooms.
I do.
This is super cute for kids.
So
oh my
cute.
God, I didn't see that.
This
That's
whole
cute.
set is adorable.
So cute.
I just got that for Arlo for his birthday.
Oh, that
He
is so
loves it.
cute.
Yeah.
And I do think that we have more Christmas things coming in. It's not
Oh,
all in
definitely.
yet.
Yep.
And you can definitely check it out online too. I know sometimes when Zoe and I get stuff and it gets overwhelming, Kit takes some and puts them online sometimes. So if we freak out and
Yes.
think, we have too much of this.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sometimes those shipments are pretty big.
Yeah.
So
Anything else in here that's Christmassy that you think would... This is the only thing I think that we didn't talk about is I love all your bark.
Yes. So these, again, these could be year-round, but if you want to, you can totally make like a Christmassy scene with the trees. And some of these guys actually have scarves on, so that's Christmassy or
Yeah.
wintry.
I mean, you guys
But-
have cats and little foxes, and
Yeah.
I love that.
Yep. And all of that, that's actually from Poland, all of that bark stuff.
I didn't know. Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
right, Poland.
Yeah.
See, you can find all kinds of cute things in here. Look at this cute little thing you can just hang in your window.
Have
or
you seen
over your...
these candle rings too? I
Oh,
don't think
no,
you
look
saw
at how
those.
cute
Yeah.
those are. Look at these little birds. I like bird things. I have a whole bird table next door. These are adorable.
Yeah, they are.
All right.
So yeah, I mean that's kind of the more wintry, Christmassy things, which is probably the newest that we have in here. But aside from that, if you're looking for gifts, stuffers,
You do have a lot of stocking stuffers. Great stuff.
we try to have a little bit of everything, something for everyone.
Like little mini puzzles to keep your kids busy so you don't have to have them climbing on you all the time. Go
Yeah.
do a puzzle. Go do
Yeah,
this puzzle.
something that's not a screen. At least. Yeah. So,
Well, this is, we have food items, which, you know, I'll talk a little bit about sometime, but I mean, glug right now is buy one, get one, right?
yeah.
So we have our
That'd be
own
good to
L.
stock up.
Johnson's glug, and it's a buy one, get one free, and I think it's online as well, isn't it?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay, so you should check it out on aljohnsons.com and try our glug. You should stock up because everybody wants glug for the holidays.
Yeah, very
It's going to get
cozy.
cold sooner than we think, and then no one wants a cold beer when they can have a hot mug of glug.
Exactly.
At least we like that.
Yeah, we do.
Well, we're really happy to have Zoe here because she's got great taste. Every time I come in here and see something, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. I don't buy too much in here just because one day I'm going to have a nice house to put things in, and I'm just waiting for that.
There you go.
So I can decorate it normally.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now it's not working out.
Right.
Anyway, well, thanks, Zoe.
Yeah.
And we'll probably see a lot more of Zoe in the future. So thanks for joining us for this other episode of Door
Absolutely.
County Girl from Skål. And don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom of the page. And again, you should come in and check it out because she's got it stocked really well right now. It doesn't need to be Christmas before you buy your merchandise, people. Get it while you can.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Right. Bye, everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching Door County Girl. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.